Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be making callaloo. Callaloo is a traditional Jamaican dish. It's a vegetable. We like to have it for breakfast, lunch and dinner. We don't specify on how we and what time of the day we do eat it. So to get started, you want to have all your prep ready. I think prepping is the part of cooking that set the tone for a wonderful dish. The ingredients that I'll be using is carrot, tomato, bell peppers, scallion, and onion. And I use coconut milk for extra flavoring. That is optional. You can skip out that if you want to. And to season, I just use salt and freshly cut black pepper. So to get started, you just want to add some butter to your pot while that is fully melt. You want to saute your season. Saute in your season that help to burst out the flavors, help, help with the flavors of the dish and also to brighten up the colors of your vegetable. After that is fully sauteed for about 2 minutes, then you want to go ahead and add your callaloo. Um, in most cases, callaloo will normally come whole, so you would have to wash and cut it up yourself, which I did not video that part, but yeah. And then you just want to add that to your pot, add your seasoning, then properly incorporate all your seasoning inside. And I add the bell peppers and tomato last, as this takes the least amount of time to cook, and doing so you help to preserve their color and their flavors. And then I just go ahead and add my coconut milk. As I said, this is just for extra flavoring. Callaloo takes about 8 to 10 minutes to cook. You can decide whether you want to go a lot longer, or if you want to cover your pot. I did not cover mine because covering the pot will create water droplet that will make the callaloo too soft, and I want it to remain crunchy. And yeah, just go ahead and pair with fried dumpling and plantain.